kind of sad today. In a good way. Some of you saw the other day I banded this up. My little pseudo pickle, my PP. This thing's really nice looking. And, you know, it shoots well. It's banded up for BBs. I've never liked shooting BBs. I don't want to ever like shooting BBs. But today, I had fun. A lot of fun shooting BBs. And that makes me sad. But I will survive. I'll probably do it again. That kind of scares me. I may like it. Anyhow, here's what I got. Like I said, once again, it's my little pseudo pickle. A PP. Baltic birch cord, canary wood, front and back. Got a .4 sniper sling. It's cut on a 10-6 taper with a little BB pouch from Omega Slings on it. Works really well. And of course, the way I do everything, the things are tied, the bands are tied pre-turned, so I can shoot it like this, even though I don't have to, because it's nowhere near a pickle fort. I was using these little BBs, and it made me a little shooting gallery with some little mini bottles. It was fun. I done it the time that's on the video, and then I've done it like 4 or 5 times afterwards, and I'm probably going to do it again. And it makes me sad. Enough. Here we go. And right now is when I just realized I'm shooting almost straight at my phone. And that's not a good thing for me to do. You thought I was gonna hit my phone. Loser. See, it was fun. I blame Eric Bart and Keith Blevins and a couple others, out there, but especially them two. They're a horrible influence on a nice, pure soul like myself, but I like them anyway, for some reason. Later.